Yes, and I have a badge. I just don't want to wear it while I'm filming. Do you want to see it?
Yeah, it's 5 o'clock, and your badge at this time does not even matter. Yeah, you have to go.
Okay.
Closed.
I didn't know.
No, I know you didn't know.
Okay.
I had to come and let you know.
Can I just do this shoot and then just end it?
You can do a quick shoot.
How long?
How long? Yeah.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. We can do
Literally 5 seconds.
Definitely 5 seconds.
All right.
Because
Hi, guys. Can't you do it again for the cheap seats? Come on. It's not going to kill you. There we go.
Wanted on the
911R.
You didn't have any of the notes from yesterday?
I mean, I do, but I just thought
Oh,
it'd
no,
be a
I
lot
just-
easier to ask somebody.
Totally. Let me, there's a lot. Okay.
I just need like high level, like what makes it superlative?
It's, well, I have the spec sheet here. It's the 4.0 liter Boxster 6 engine, 500 horsepower. Do you want to, do you have notes? Oh, okay. Next, 16 gram sheet deal. And let's see, the
Alright, I kind of lost my opportunity here. Alright. Oh, shit. Not at all. You're just enhancing it. Hi guys. So,
first time ever.
really? Fantastic. Here we are at the Jaguar booth checking out the new F-Type. This is the SVR, which is and this is the Maserati Volante. The SUV, fuck, check it out. That's fucking stupid. Hey Motorheads, Mama here. Listen, I'm here in the Toyota booth talking to you about the new Toyota Prius. This one is called Prius Prime. It has absolutely nothing to do with Amazon Prime, but it is a plug-in and it has much better range than the last generation of Prius plug-in that we saw. It's actually up to 22 miles, I believe, without a charge, which is awesome.